Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I'm back with yet another episode of Login Helps, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to create a Facebook account. So Facebook is very helpful to connect with friends, families and communities of people who share your interests. Connecting with your friends and families as well as discovering new one is easy with features like groups, watch and marketplace on Facebook. So with Facebook, keeping up with friends is faster and easier than ever. So this app is very interesting, guys. If you want to enter in the world of Facebook and want to enjoy all of its features, then you need to create its account first. To create its account, all you need is a good internet connection on your mobile phone and Facebook app installed. So if it is not installed, then go ahead and install the application. But if it is already installed, then you can now easily create its account. To learn how to create, keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, to create Facebook account, first of all tap on Facebook application. After tapping on the application, tap on create new Facebook account. Now tap on next. Now you will land onto a page where it will ask for your name. So enter your first name on the first name column. Now enter your last name on the last name column. After you're done typing your name, tap on next. Now you will land onto a page where it will ask for your birthday. So go ahead and tap on your birthday. Now if you are done typing your birthday, tap on next. Now it will ask for your gender, so go ahead and check on the box of your gender. Now tap on next. Now add on your mobile number here, or you can even sign up with your email address, but I like to go for my number. After you're done typing your number, tap on next. Now you were supposed to choose a password here, but what you need to remember is that you should create a password with at least 6 characters and it should be something all you couldn't guess. So go ahead and type on your strong password. After you're done typing your password, tap on next. Now it will ask you to add your email. So if you are interested, you can add your email or you can even skip it. I would like to skip it for now. Now it will ask you to sign up or sign up without uploading my contacts or with uploading my contacts. I would like to go for sign up without uploading my contacts. Now our account is being created. We just have to wait for some time. So the thumbs up is already here. Now it's been signing in. Now you are supposed to add a profile picture so that your friends can find you. So you can even add it or take a photo or choose from gallery, but I would like to skip it for now. Now whether if you want to upload contacts or not, if you want to upload, then tap on upload contacts, but if you don't, you can even skip it. So I would like to skip it for now. So it's asking if I'm sure I want to skip this step, so I would like to skip it. Now it's asking if I want to save my login info or not. I would like to skip it. This too. Else if you want to save, then tap on OK. I will skip it. So this is it, guys. The Facebook has already been created. So this is how we can easily create our Facebook accounts. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.